Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to Betterment in MHT CET. First, ensure you understand what Betterment means in the context of MHT CET admissions. It's a chance to upgrade your allocated seat to a preferred college or course. You must have accepted a seat in a previous CAP round to be eligible. This process allows you to aim for a better option without losing your current admission. We'll cover the steps to successfully navigate this opportunity. To apply for Betterment, you must first accept the seat allocated to you in a previous CAP round. This is crucial as it secures your current admission while you seek an upgrade. Next, you need to explicitly indicate your wish for Betterment when prompted during the admission process. This usually happens before the next CAP round begins. Then, you'll participate in the subsequent CAP rounds, hoping for a better college or course based on your merit. Before opting for Betterment, thoroughly research colleges and courses you aspire to join. This informed decision-making is vital. Remember, Betterment does not guarantee a new seat. It depends on availability and your merit. If you are allotted a new seat through Betterment, your previously accepted seat will automatically be forfeited. Weigh your options carefully, considering both your current admission and potential upgrades. Once you receive a Betterment allocation, confirm your final seat and complete all admission formalities within the given timeframe. It's essential to act quickly to secure your spot. Always refer to the official MHT CET website for the most accurate and up-to-date rules regarding Betterment. They provide comprehensive guidelines to ensure a smooth process. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.